Episode 278, How to Make the Most of ChatGPT Plus.
The primitive forms of artificial intelligence we already have proved very useful.
AI is a golden opportunity.
How do we ensure that this technology is regulated?
The long arc of technological history is now in an extraordinary new phase.
The AI6 podcast with Joanne Sweeney.
Are you a ChatGPT fan? Are you paying for the €20 per month plus plan? Do you know if you're getting the most from it? Hello and welcome back to AI6. I'm Joanne Sweeney and today I want to walk you through how to actually get the most value from your ChatGPT Plus subscription. I think there are 4 key features that make paying your €20 or your $20 per month worth it. And also, personalizing how you use the large language model. The first feature is memory. Memory changes how you use ChatGPT. When memory is on, ChatGPT can remember useful details across conversations, like your role, your preferred tone, or the formats you want. So you can say, I work in public sector communications, use British English. When I ask for social posts, give me the LinkedIn format with a hook and a clear call to action. And it will try to carry those preferences forward into future conversations, so you don't have to repeat yourself every time. To get the most from this feature, go into settings and check memory is enabled. Then train it on purpose. Say something like, remember that I'm a communications professional. I prefer concise, jargon-free writing and practical examples. You can also ask, what do you remember about me, to see what's stored, and you can tell it to forget anything that you do not want retained. One important note, however, treat memory as helpful defaults, not perfect storage. It works best for preferences and context, not for saving long documents or complex rules. The next paid-for feature that you want to make the most of is custom instructions. This is the fastest win for personalization. Custom instructions lets you set your preferences once, so every chat starts in the right place. For example, write in British English, keep it clear and direct, use headings and bullet points. If I ask for social content, give me platform-specific formatting. If you want ChatGPT to sound like you from day one, then start here, and then let memory reinforce it over time as you train it with your use. The third feature from ChatGPT Plus that I'm recommending are custom GPTs and projects. And this is where Plus becomes a real workflow tool. Custom GPTs are specialist assistants you can build for repeat tasks. I use them consistently as mini teammates. One for my podcasts, one for my blogs, and then one for checking documents against our own in-house style. Each GPT has its own instructions and can use reference files that you upload. The payoff is consistency. You build it once, then you reuse it without re-explaining yourself. Then projects are like campaign folders. You group conversations and files in one place, so everything stays organized. If you're working on a campaign, you can create a project, upload the brief, the brand guidelines, and keep all the related chats together. A simple way to think about it is this. Custom GPTs are your specialist assistants. Projects are your organized workspaces. And then the fourth feature, voice mode and canvas. 2 features people often forget, but they are really useful. Voice mode is great when you cannot type, or for somebody like me, I like to talk. I like to write too. But sometimes at the end of a long meeting or at the end of a busy day, my brain is tired. And so typing just feels onerous, but talking, less so. I use it to talk through a problem while I'm walking or whether I'm just finishing up for the day to organise my thoughts and my plans for the next day. And it's also really good for brainstorming because you're thinking out loud and you have that natural, powerful stream of consciousness. Canvas, on the other hand, gives you a proper editing space for long-form work. Instead of generating new versions in the chat, you can highlight a section and ask ChatGPT to just rewrite that part. It feels much more like collaborating on a document. The point of the podcast is not to use every feature, but to use the features to customize the tool to help you every day. If you want more from ChatGPT Plus, then my shortlist is custom instructions for your defaults, memory for ongoing personalization, custom GPTs for repeatable tasks, projects to stay organized, and voice and canvas for different ways of working. Remember, with all of the tools that I recommend, practice is key to getting value from AI. The more you use these tools, the better they get for you. If you want structured guidance on building AI into your marketing and communications practice, check out my AI Playbook Diploma. The link is in the show notes. I'm Joanne Sweeney. I'll be back with you tomorrow.